Hello, Vic at Vic Saga 68. Thanks for coming aboard. One of the things that usually occurs in anything having to do with it, like a sailing video, is you see this, all the beauty of sailing, out on the beautiful water and all that kind of stuff. Sometimes storms, sometimes a few rough situations, but what I kind of wanted to do was kind of give a little perspective. I mean, there's a lot of work. There's a lot of things that happen to you, and if you're in the northern climes, then at least half the year you're stored. You're up on the hard, and all the things that are involved in that, which you have to like. Also, and somebody once asked me, do I enjoy restoring or maintaining as much as sailing? Do I enjoy one more than the other? No, I think they're both. The great thing about both restoring and maintaining is that preparation of this vessel for what you don't know is going to all happen to you out there. And so you prepare for everything. And there's a grand feeling about getting out on the open water after you have done as much as you can, and you know it's about as good as it can be. And over the years of experience, you get better and better and better, and you can therefore be more and more prepared. So I kind of wanted to have this video that kind of takes through from maybe those frozen docks and the boat on the hard, and then transitions as to other things. So I may do a couple of those videos because that's a standard year. But if you also have a south boat and a north boat, like I confusedly have, so that then when you go down to your south boat, oh, you've got the Volvo Penta filters that fit in the Cape Dory, north, and you're south. And so it gets funny when you're dealing with a lot of different stuff. The beta engine down with the south boat in North Carolina, and so okay. I'll get on with it here. Thanks for joining me. And so here's some of the stuff of this video having to do with boat ownership. I don't like the way that sounds. With sailing, essentially, what sailing's all about. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so the boys are starting to work on the bowsprit. That's so great. That's so great. This is what it all looks like at this point. Okay, at any rate. Yep. So. Yeah, well, plenty of plenty of dock space out there. Okay, you can have any dock you want. At any rate, meanwhile, there's a bunch of people out there, way out there. Supposedly they're fishing in their little fishing in their little fishing shacks, or are they watching porno out there? Never can tell about those guys in those plaid shirts. Any rate, yeah. Natasha, come on, let's go back. Hey, doggy. Oh, probably the greatest time, really, filled with anticipation, expectations, and all sorts of potential, is in the spring when you're uncovering that boat. And just pretty exciting. So, 2021. And this is always the big the big moment when finally you slide that hatch back, hatch cover, and then there it is, and you get the smell. Teak, little diesel, little winter. Oh boy, all is fine in there. Yahoo! Oh boy. Okay. So anyway, yeah, really windy up here, but looks like I beat the rain, and so everything's off, and so I got a few little a few more, just a few more things. Always probably one of the most exciting moments of the year, and then you look at the yep, and that's working beautifully. All right, so we are ready to take the boat to the slip. Okay, 2022. Yeah, so Fairhaven. Yeah, got rock and rolling, but not any wind. It's just leftover waves from yesterday. So that's how things are now, all right? There we are. Up, up. Hey, thanks for joining me in this year at a glance. It wasn't quite a glance. One thing leads to another, leads to another. Again, if you like this or want to subscribe, please subscribe and punch like, both of them if you want to, or not. I'm not selling anything. I don't know. I'm not in any real competition here, but I appreciate those of you out there who signified that you want more of this stuff that I'm letting you know about. Um, okay, so thanks again, and there'll be there'll be definitely more of these things, and videos that are about this pretty complex, a lot of variables to all this sailing business, and love it all. Okay, so see ya next one. Thank you.